Hi, this is Soumya, your 14 CS116. I'm here to do my 8th lab experiment in case tools, and here we are asked to do for employment diagram. The question is given us to draw an application for the Cornell University which contain the following elements. We should show the elements under the software elements are deployed with the hardware elements to illustrate the runtime process of hardware and to provide a view of hardware system topology. And the deployment diagram consists of hardware used in implementing a system and the association between those hardware components. This can also show in the location of the deployment, and this consists of component and a node. The node represents the piece of hardware in the system, and this entity is represented by three-dimensional cube. And association is used to connect the communication between the solid lines, and the artifact is used here to connect node 1 and node 2 by dotted lines. And the algorithm is to identify the processes and device used in the deployment diagram, and the processes are connected according to their office setup. The association link is drawn between the messages and to terminate the process after the completion. And the given question will be displayed in this format of deployment diagram. In star UML is given here as the tools used are node, that is the three-dimensional cube, and artifact is used. Association is used to connect each nodes, and dependency or directed association link is used to connect with the node 1 and node 2 connections. And here one node is named as web server, another with application and database. Web server consists of three artifacts as client server, admission server, and main server interactive. And client server consists of microRNA and process in the application node, and admission server consists of online payment in the application node. Main server interface consists of admission and the administration. In the database portal node, microRNA consists of ID and password, different ID and password, and student details in the artifact and node format. microRNA is connected with the ID and password and process with a different ID and password, and student details connected with all online payment, administration, and admission process. And this is the whole deployment model displayed in this